announcement, all the players of the basketball team, the assembly time will be at 11:45 at the gym. Okay, again, announcement, all the players for the basketball, lahat ng daddies na naglalaro sa basketball mamaya, the assembly time will be at 11:45 at the gym. Thank you.
Ay, hirap na makabuli nito.
Again, the grade 4 students.
Kasama na yung nanay. Hindi na nakapuna ko. Ano ba? Kasama na tayo. Kasama na ba ako dito? Ayan! Ayan! Ganito ate.